No problem. So it is visible to you guys, no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right. Please bear with me, guys. I don't know why I slept very late, and so this field is null. Okay.
What do you want to do, bro? I think you want to darken the pencil.
Yeah. So,
There is this three dots. If you see, if you just click on that arrow, it will be three dots. It will show you the thickness of the pencil.
yeah. So this is null.
Mm.
Now this is also null.
Age, name.
This is null. This is null. Okay. This is null. So this is a nasty data set. Okay? And here it is not available. Right? Again, performance field, these entries are null. Okay. So in our Excel sheet, we have null values. Right? Then in performance score, there is a mixed data type. Not here. In joining date. In joining date, we have see, these are dates, right? But this guy is not available. Means we have a string also, and we have null. Right? Then if you come to age, okay. In name column we have null here. So name is having null, age is having null, age is having null, gender is also having null. Then department has null. Salary and experience. So our salary is also having null. Experience is having null. City is fine. So these columns having null values. So since we have taken like very small data set of 14 or 15 records, we see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places it is null. But in real data set, right, there will be like thousands of records like that. So we have to gracefully handle these values. Okay, this null, missing. So this is one thing. Here also it is null. Okay? Now I want to also see. Check employees added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. So you are seeing it 1, 1, 12. 1, 1, 12 is duplicate. So we need to handle now null values gracefully. Right? Mixed data type gracefully, and in case there are duplicates, we have to remove this duplicate. Right? So all these things you should be doing programmatically. Okay. Now, so this is a problem statement. In interview, you will be given this kind of Excel sheet, and they'll ask you to perform EDA. So right now we are doing EDA. Okay. Exploratory data analysis means you'll explore your data. Right? Exploratory data analysis. Yeah. You will explore the data, clean it, make it usable, and you can do some report generation based on this. Okay, that is our goal today. What else is deviation we can see? See, this age column is there, no? In this age column, you can see certain deviations. So age should be integer. First is like age is null, right? And here, right,
150.
minus is there, right?
And this 150.
Yeah, and this guy is an outlier. 150 is not possible.
Hmm.
In Kali Yuga, people won't survive for 150 years. Okay? So if you take this Excel sheet, whatever I'm presenting in front of you, and try to make a like machine learning model, that will drastically fail because it has a lot of anomalies. One minute, guys. I think some call was from office too. So what is fifth one? Fifth one is age column has negative value, right? And 150 also. So this 150 is outlier. Right? Then coming to your department, data science department and null we have already listed. Now experience. Experience has only null, that is fine.
Salary also you have minus 10,000.
Yeah, salary we have to observe, right? So
Yeah.
salary I can see most are like 90,000, 85,000, but this guy is 95 lakhs. So this is also outlier.
Well, that should be you, bro.
Hmm?
That should be your salary.
Yeah, my salary is based on experience, it is like still less, Lipa.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it is also outlier. I think minus, right? It is not
Minus.
outlier. So salary has now problem. Hmm? Okay. Then coming to experience, we only see null values. Okay? So nothing is there. Maybe in experience also people will write like this. In here they will write like you will get 3, right? Then you will get 20. So we have to handle all these things. Okay? So right now I've not taken that, but in tomorrow's assignment we'll do that. So got it. These are the problems right now. Right? So our data is very nasty. Okay? We have to clean it up. So what I will do, since I have done some modification here, I will make a copy of this. Underscore. So we are doing coding for this. So I'll be removing this. Let me open that. So now this data set will be using. Okay. Clear, guys? This kind of Excel sheet will be given, or this kind of data frame you will be given, and you have to make it workable. Okay. Now I am going to do something on this. Okay. What can we do first? Yeah. 1 minute. What and all we can do? Do we remember anything from our last exercise?
First, we need to read the CSV.
Import NumPy is not required.
Yes.
So I am going to read it in a name called nasty. Okay. What will give in order to load?
PD dot read.
Read Excel.
Nasty coding, right? And I will do nasty. So you will see here all the nasties are coming. Oh, it doesn't display all those empty, you know.
Yeah.
Which row has empty? 107.
Instead of empty, it's displayed.
107 is NAN. NAN.
Okay, yeah. Fine. So you need to tackle these things. You're seeing. So here empty is being replaced with NaN. What happens to this pen? Doesn't. Oh, so it's NaN.
The same line, there is another NAN.
Yeah.
So only for null values, it is coming up with NAN. Okay.
Null is getting displayed, not a number. Something like this.
The same row.
Yeah.
NAN 107
Yeah. So here also you're seeing, right? So this is one thing. Other things were
In the age,
13.
column.
13.
not available.
not available. This is outlier.
Outlier minus 10,000. Age 150. -105.
-5 also.
Where it is? -5. -5.
Then here as well. Right?
Yeah.
Here
Row
as
number,
well.
row number 2 also NAN.
8,
Next
14 also we have.
These two are like duplicates. Right? So this is duplicate. So many things are bad here. This data is not good data set, and we have to now run EDA on this. Okay. So what we will do? Now I am going to do EDA. I said it is exploratory
Data analysis.
In interviews, they will not ask you clean up or they will say that complete an EDA on this and predict something. Okay. So I'm going to do EDA first. Okay. What we will do now? First of all, I have to see how the DF looks like, right? So nasty dot head. You will see by default how it looks. Okay. Then you can run nasty dot tell. Bottom 5 will come here. So we have like 0 to 15 records. This will give you a idea. Right? Now we'll see nasty.info. So see here, this will give you good idea where is the problem. So non-nulls are 15, 15. Here 14 is there, right? Here age means in age, 2 nulls are there. In name, 1 null is there. 14 is coming. 15 minus 14 is 1. Gender has been 14. So gender has 1 null. Department has 1 null. Salary is having 13. So salary is having 2 nulls. Experience is 14. So this column is also having 1 null. Then joining date has 1 null, and here is 1 null. Okay. Now compare the data types as well. Employee ID is int fine. Name is object means string fine. Age is float. So maybe 11 years, 6 months fine. Gender is object, male, female fine. Department or object fine. Salary float is good. Okay. Experience is coming as float. Do we have that experience column like that?
புரியுதா புரியலையே எனக்கு
So
தமிழ் முடியல
it's taking like that. So leave it as it is. No problem. Okay. So object is having 5 columns are of object type, 2 columns of int type, 4 columns of float type. Okay. So we got to know our data types as well. Okay. What can we do now is like take a sample, or we also found like what was that nasty dot describe, right? So it will give you here that see here. Because of one guy, the count of salary is going to very big. Okay. and mean is also high. Because most of the salaries were 60,000, 70,000, 80,000. Right? So it is not being fit here. 1.3 into plus 0.1, 0.5, it is becoming uncalculatable. Okay? And due to that, now our this 25%, 50%, 75% also coming in little unreadable and unpredictable. So if you describe your data set and you find this kind of error, this kind of thing, right? So this, if something is readable, it is good, right? I can read here 1.2, 4.0, 7, 107, right? But I cannot read this, right? So what we have to do is, now we have to apply our EDA concept. Okay, I'm going to apply EDA now. EDA. It's not allowing me to write. No problem. So you guys know I'm going to do EDA now. Okay. Very bad to me. I thought it will be helpful for me. Okay. But you got an idea, right? What I'm going to do. I am going to do so many things now. Now tell me guys what we have to do. So it is a small file and we are able to find in how many places null is there. Correct? But in programming and all, it is not advisable to go manually and do. Right? So what will I do? There should be a way to figure out, right? Like how many nulls are there, whether null is there or not. If null is there, how many are there? If null is there, how will I modify it, right? What will I fill in null so that dataset will look proper? Correct, no?
Yeah. Just curious on the naming part, because the other things you can kind of calculate age, and when it comes to a biometric, I don't know how this are handled.
Yeah,
Because name, age, gender, yeah.
things will be handled. It's not a problem. But only thing what I'm saying is, now we should think from because we are going to design machine learning model on top of this data set, right? If this data set is not correct or this data set is buggy, it will predict wrong output, correct? So now let us go ahead slowly and try to understand new methods. Okay, so I have nasty dot, there is a is null. Okay. So is null means wherever it is true, right? So what I'm saying is, wherever output is true, right, that will be null. So basically here is null. False means there is no null. Just check line by line. Here it is true, it is null. Null. True means null. Again, true means null. Here also is null. Right? So I'm just trying to tell you how will you be able to see, right? Now you found all are nulls, right? But we can't count also. Right? So programmatically, there should be a way to calculate this. Correct, right, team? Now we found these many nulls are there, right? But how many we don't know. Let us do that. Nasty dot is null. Let us do some. So now it will give you that, okay, employee ID column has 0 nulls, name has 1, age has 2. So it is giving you the count of everything. So right now we are only checking nulls are there now. Filling part I'll teach after some time once we complete EDA. Okay. So we found that null is there. Okay. Matlab missing values are there. Okay. So now I will go for we had like duplicate as well, right? If you type nasty, you will see duplicates are there.
112.
112, 112 is duplicate. So now I will just find, right? Nasty dot duplicated. Okay. And then run. Is it not true? One minute. Should be giving true. 0 null. Oh, okay. How come? Should be given 1. Did I fill or what? 112 is the one I'm reading, right? Some maybe didn't execute. Nasty. 11, 12 is having. One minute. checking. Sometimes Jupyter Notebook yeah, here it is showing duplicate. In data frame it is coming. So in nasty, why it is not coming? Yes. Yeah. I think our Excel sheet is corrupted, guys. I'm changing it. I'll be using nasty, our previous one, not nasty. DF. The previous one I'm using. Okay. So I'm changing. Both are same. Maybe in copy I lost it. So what was the these DF? Now we need to find
Duplicates.
yeah. What was the command? Duplicate.
Nasty dot duplicated dot sum.
First, let us run this.
Okay.
So this 12th is duplicated. Means Uma is duplicate. Right? But you also want to know how many duplicates are there, because you can't keep seeing all these things. So you'll be writing sum. Yes, so we get one duplicate here. Okay. So only one row is duplicate in DF. In DF, only Uma is duplicate. This 112 is duplicate. Okay.
Yeah.
This one, 103,
112 and 112.
103,
These are duplicates.
above 103, 103
Above?
Suma, right?
Sorry. Above what?
No, not above.
This 103.
112 and 112 are duplicate.
Oh,
right?
yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Someone is talking on phone or what?
No, not me, bro.
Okay.
It's not duplicates.
So one is duplicate. So what did we have to also write it here. What did we learn? Right?
So the duplicate function will check on the entire row data, not on each column data.
Yeah, row data. Records will be duplicate.
So it
Yeah, the
actually, so this duplicates actually matches the entire row data.
Correct. Or it has internal logic, but right now it is giving it. Right? We will see what it does. So far we are able to find out null value. Right? Then null means true false we did. Right? Means nulls are there or not. If you see it is returning true, this true means null is there, null present. And what was the function name? df dot
is null.
is null. So it will return either true or false. And the meaning of true is null is present. Okay. Now we have to count null count, right? Null count. For that, right, it will give you how many nulls are there. Right? What function we have to use? See, in the entire table, you were getting true, false, right? So it has to just do the sum.
Yes.
Df dot is null and then give dot sum. So it will give you the count. So these two things we have seen. Right? Third thing we are seeing right now, whether duplicates are there or not. Duplicates are present. For this, what will you do? Df dot, what was the function name? Duplicated. Correct, no?
Yes. Yes.
Right? Df dot duplicated will give you true, false. This will again return true and false. True means it is present. True means duplicate is present. False means duplicate is not there. So if duplicate is there, we need to count how many duplicates are there. Right? So we will be doing duplicate count. For this df of duplicate, which we have found first in the up right? Df duplicate dot sum. Right? So this will give you count. So far, we have done these four functions. Anyone has any doubt? I hope things should be clear.
Good, bro.
Yes, Kedar.
So if you want to see duplicates, which one is duplicate? Right now, if you're doing duplicated and sum, you're only getting like index and true false, right? And here also it is not giving anything. Which record is duplicated we are not seeing, right? So for that we can find means just simply write show duplicate. We know this UMA is duplicate 112. So what we have to do? So df dot duplicates is returning, right?
TF dot duplicated dot show. What's that command?
No, it's not there. Now just give data frame. Okay. Put them in data frame.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And give df here. It will give. What it is doing is df dot duplicated is returning everything. So this will return true, and that true you are passing in df. So df is nothing but everything. From everything, whichever is duplicate, give me that. So now we've got Uma
No,
is
bro.
duplicated.
Sorry, explain that again. So df dot duplicated is true, and then we are passing
Then,
that to
yeah.
the
Yeah, so true you're passing, no? Here. So df underscore true will give you the value because df has to showcase all the records. What I'm saying is,
Oh, understood. Understood.
understood,
Understood.
no? Yeah. Okay.
Duplicated.
Now we also saw like which record is duplicated. Right?
Duplicated value. Okay.
So now you go and find unique values.
Our row. So usually it returns the row.
Yeah. Duplicate row. Okay.
Duplicate row.
Let's see. Now df dot n unique. Okay. So it will give you how many unique values are there. See here in
So under employee 14. Okay.
in employee ID, 14 records are unique.
Only
Two are,
one is duplicated.
one is duplicate. In name, 11 is unique because Uma is coming as multiple place. Okay. But duplicate means everything should be matching. All the columns values should be same. See here, Uma, 30, female, HR. Right? Then only it will consider duplicate. Okay. Maybe this duplication happens if data is not cleaned up or someone has done manual error. Or your ETL tool copied certain records multiple times. Okay. Got it? So we also found how to find unique values. Okay. Now we will go and see. Now we have to count something, right? Sort salaries. Can we sort also? Fine. Now I will go and try filling. Now fill missing values. This is very important, guys. Okay. In which column something was missing. So let us do DF first. So name column has NAN. Name column has NAN. Where it is? None. No. It is giving this. It is none. NAN. I'm going to fill name column first. Now this is a string, right? So we cannot fill with minimum, maximum, average. We cannot fill with mean, median, mode, something, right? So how to fill? So this is what I usually do, and this is like advisable also. So first you are going to take df of age. And assign some value here. What will you assign? Because you cannot select something from other column, you have to select from name column only. So write df of age, then there will be a fill na. Okay. Fill na, then this is a function. So what you want to fill? You want to fill df of age, and then you will be passing median here. So you'll see why I have taken this. Okay. Median is a function. Now you print df. Okay. So it ran, but it did not do because we are not assigning this to something. It should work. We don't see none. What is coming none, right? So median is not working. What will but it did not give any. 1 minute, guys. I think we have to assign it a different data frame then. Why? Not getting data CSV file.
எப்படி அப்பா விட்டு விட்டு போக மாட்டாரு அவரு. அப்பாவை கிளம்பி இருக்க சொல்லு.
Will be doing only updates the data frame in memory. It does not update the original CSV file. To save the changes, you must write the data frame back.
df dot true CSV. Okay, indexable.
We'll try that also. Let's see. Ideally, it used to do.
Bro, once you do that, can you just explain me once on the line of df age?
Yeah.
What has, yeah.
So I can explain here also, Nima. Okay. Let's. You're asking this, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Yes.
You can just run it.
Okay. It's
Oh,
taking because we
yeah,
have
I was searching in name column. Sorry, it actually updated, no?
yeah, it is. That's what I was a little confused. But at the same time, bro, how does it actually takes up? Because we have this -5. Also, we have 150. So if you take without correcting these values, if you take this median, will it not give the wrong median value here?
Yeah, it will give. But
Hmm.
right now I'm just teaching basic class, right?
Okay.
It will
All
give.
right.
I'm just interested in age column, and I was searching in
Oh,
name.
name. Okay. It
So
updated.
see here, second column, second row has NaN, right? But here, second row is not having NaN. Right?
30. It's updated as 30.
It updated. It got updated now.
Yes, bro.
So am I audible?
You are, bro. I can hear you.
No, my system is frozen now. What did I run? So this line is confusing.
No, I think we are just taking the what is it?
So what we are doing is, right? We are taking the median first. You can do like this also. Med equal to this much, median. Right? And assign median here.
Storage.
This will also work. So this is done. Okay? So what we are doing right now, this is the complex part in entire data science. Okay. Now we are filling null. What method did we use?
Median.
No.
Fill in it.
Filling. Sorry.
Once you do 1 or 2 exercise, it will be easier. Fill NA. This is a method. Okay? So what it does is, suppose if you want to fill age column, age is your column, and somewhere empty is there. Lot of records are there. One empty is there. Empty or NA and something is there. You're filling that. So how will we write? We'll be writing like this. You want to fill age column, right? So from your data frame, take out age. Because here only it will be assigned, right? Then this will be okay. Let's assume I want to have median. So median equal to median of this column. DF of age dot median. Now, as I said, I'll be writing here in df.age. What I'm going to write? You'll be writing the same. Operation can only be performed on column names. This will give column name. So this fillna will be applied on a column name. It cannot be applied on a variable. So it is df of name then dot fillna, and whatever value you are going to fill, you are going to fill this median.
Hmm. Got it.
But where are you going to fill? Right? That also we have to give.
Yeah, only for the null values.
No. So df dot age dot fillna, then again we have to write df dot age.
Hmm.
No, we should not write. We have to write median here
Better, yeah.
because we have already taken out.
Hmm.
Right. So this will work. Okay. This is the most tricky part, and it keeps giving error in production. Let us do something else. For salary, we are going to do. Okay. Fill null for salary.
Okay.
Right. So I'll take for salary column here. So what did I say?
First get the median.
No. Yeah. First get the median equal to df of column name. So df of salary will give salary column. Okay. Dot median. Okay. Let's assign mid underscore sal. Okay. Variable name. Now I want to update salary column. Correct now? So we have to write df of salary is equal to, can someone guide me? In which column I will apply fillna? Yeah.
df
So
dot salary.
yes. So df dot salary will apply fillna. Okay. This function, and whatever value you are going to place on empty is made underscore salary. Okay. So just carefully look here. Salary is NaN here and here LN. So 3rd and 14th
Yeah.
will be updated.
Okay.
Let's see. It ran. I will run df1. So the 3rd and 11th. Clear?
Got it. Bro, can you just go up a little bit to the age? I'm sorry to just make you go back.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, but just to correct you, like on the previous note, you just wrote it as df name in the notepad where you wrote, right? Yeah. So yeah,
Oh,
df.
I should not write. Okay.
Yeah,
Sometimes.
that's yeah. No, because others would have taken that notes. That's why I'm just correcting it. Sorry. That should
No
be
problem.
yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Lima.
Yeah, no good. Thanks.
It is age only. Because we cannot assign name.
Yes.
And name is a string. So we cannot run other things, right? Mean, median, mode, dot aggregate methods. Is it clear, guys? So one very what do you call, very important function you are learning today. Okay. I'm going very slowly because till today I get confused here and there. Fine. So we completed for salary. Does experience has anything? Yes. So still experience is having NAM. Okay. Who will help me now? What will we write? Fill null with median for experience. So first of all, I have to take median. Okay, median of experience will be how much?
Bro, just a question.
Hmm.
Regarding, see, I get the salary part, right? So, but age is very much specific. It's a biometric of a person, right? So, maybe you like, how do we really do we really in a real time scenario fill the age with this kind of a method? With a
Yeah. Age will be coming as a number only, like either it will be integer or float. So if anything is integer or float, you can manage like this.
that may or may not be, there is still a probability of not getting that right, right? So,
No. So age will be coming. Suppose if you go to Aadhaar card website or PAN website also, age
okay.
will be either mentioned in numeric or
No, I get that part, bro. See,
Hmm.
say for example, my age is missing in this overall, okay, and it is taking the calculating my age based on the other data of the age, right? So
correct.
the number which is getting arrived for my age, right, that may or may not be right. There is a
Correct.
probability
That
of
may
it.
not or may not be right, but we are analyzing, suppose you are analyzing a list of voters, right?
Hmm.
So what is the condition? The guy who is having age 18 should have a voter card. Okay. And it will go up to 60 or 67, something like that. Okay.
Okay.
If a person's age is missing, right? If a person's age is missing and you have 1 trillion data, right? If you have 1 trillion of data, what basically will happen, right? So average or median of 1 trillion will be very close to your age only.
Okay. Okay.
So we can use median in that case. In a small data set, uh, it might be deviated a lot, but in big data set, there won't be much difference.
Okay. Understood.
Once
What
age
I'm
came,
saying is rather than ignoring that those empty fields, right?
once
We
age
have
came,
to
only
we have
Lima
to
is worried. Salary is not a worry.
yeah.
Okay, the
Sorry,
age is showing different, she is worried.
age is someone is talking. I'm not able to hear properly.
No, it's initial here.
Yes, sir.
I'm saying that Lima is worried about the age only. So far, we discussed about salary, median, and all. She's not worried.
No.
Once the age is more above and less, she is worried.
Not like that. See, age is very much specific to a person's thing, right?
The
No,
same
no.
with
So
salary and
Biometric.
all other things.
see, you are correct. If today also, if you go for your voter ID reissue or something, right? You will see that your age is written 80 or something. Sometimes it will be
Yeah, so
written
that's what
like
I was trying to
30.
say that.
Why it
Yeah.
happens is because everything is done through machine learning. Okay. And you filled a form, they scanned it. Okay. And somehow if your age was missing or not properly recognized, right? So that printing machine will take the median or average and give your age. So you will be saying, okay, I am 30 years old. How come 45 coming? Many times you have to see go for a age correction or name corrections. So those errors are not manual. Computer does all those errors because machine learning model is predicting your age if it is not available. Okay? But at least you are getting your voter ID. Suppose if machine learning algorithm says that, okay, if Lima's age is missing, I will not issue, I'll remove that record. So you will not get your voter ID itself. So rather than
Fine.
not getting voter ID, having a wrong age is okay, because you will go to
For data correction.
other centers or go for a correction. Okay. So I think you
Understood.
guys are understanding why we do this kind of analysis.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, bro.
Okay. So now tell why I want to remove Uma twice. Uma is twice, and I am issuing Aadhaar card or PAN to her, right? And one AI is doing this. So Uma will get two Aadhaar cards then, okay? Two PAN cards. So in order to duplicate, in order to give something twice, we will be doing it. Suppose Vijay Thalapathy is giving gold, right? If Uma is eligible for gold, she will get like 6 gram into 12 gram gold. Right? Something like that will happen. So we have to do this data analysis properly. Okay? Anyone has any doubt in? Okay. So we were going for median experience, right? How will we find the median of experience? There is a median column. Experience column. I want to have median for this. So from data frame, you will first find experience column, right? And then you will find the median of this. Okay. Now I want to check in what places null is there. There, this median will be inserted. So I can see one NaN here. So definitely you will be assigning DF of experience is having what we will write?
F of experience dot billion name.
Dot.
Billion name.
Okay. See, the complex logic became very small, very simple now. And now run DF. So slowly, we are able to change. We are able to modify. Now, experience column, NaN is gone. In which column it had NaN? 6th, 5.5K. So we gave him correct. We did not give him like highest, lowest. We are giving him median. Fine, guys?
Because I have doubt. For the experience, we filled within both numeric and alphanumeric, right? So for 5, we have typed as a 5%.
We will do that.
Text.
But right now it is only, there were only having experience is here float, like 10 years, 5 months. See, if someone has given an integer and float, only accept it, okay? Because having
for integer and float, we can do median or min or max, anything we can do and we can fill with those things. But if the column has both integer and string.
Yeah, so first we'll convert that string to integer and do that. We'll see those things also. Because a lot of heavy lifting will happen in one day. That's the reason I have not included. Today is very basic for all missing values.
Bro, you may have to even maybe it's just me doesn't know that can you just explain maybe later mean? What is it? Where do we use mean and where do we use median? And like, do we have to consider taking average? Because we are taking median now, which is the middle value of all the values, right? So where do we take mean? Can you, maybe it's a mathematical question, but yeah, if you can explain, that can help me to understand which use case I use what.
Okay. I'll do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Not today. Tomorrow we will do.
Sure, bro.
I thought you guys know it. So it's like 10th or 12th. But fine. In department, do we have anything? None is there. Okay. So let us quickly do it for department also. Who will help me? DF of department. Dot median. Now give the right spelling, otherwise it won't work. This is coming. Now I want to fill in whatever places none is there or NaN is there, that will be filled with median. But what is the median now? We cannot fill median, right? Let's see what, because it's someone was talking, right? I think it was Prabhu or someone. So you cannot find median of string values. Cannot convert to numeric. These are strings. So you got an answer, Lima, right? If you are dealing with numeric data, you fill with median. Okay. If you're dealing with strings, you fill with mode.
Understood.
Yeah. Let's see. So I am getting HR. Mode means, okay. Everyone knows mean, right?
Yes, Kedar.
1 minute. Let me explain here. So mean or average are same.
Yes.
Mean or average are same. So suppose I am giving a data to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And 9, 2, 3, all are like this. So our first task is, right, write them in ascending or descending order. Okay. Sort it. So you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, then again 2 is coming. Again 3 is coming. One moment. I'll take a small set. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 2, then 3, then 2, 2, 5, 6. Okay. Now, so arrange, first sort it. first. So once you sort, what would you get?
1, 2,
You will get 1.
2.
Don't ignore this. This is also 2.
Again. Yeah, again 3, 4, 3 more 2s. 3, 3.
3
4,
ones.
5. Yeah, another 3, 4, 5, and 6.
4, 5, 6. So mean you can definitely calculate. Right? Mean add everything and divide by how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right? So mean you can find out. Median, there is a formula. I'll teach tomorrow. But mode is what? Median system is calculating, so no need to worry much. Right? So what I said, for numeric data, replace with median. Right? This is for numeric data. Now what is mode? Mode is like highest occurring item. So which is occurring most of the time here? It is 2. So mode is 2 here. So mode can be used.
Both for string as well as numeric, is it, bro?
Yeah, but mostly we will be, for string there is no other way, right? For string, there is no other way. So we will be using UMA here because UMA came twice. Right? Why basically? It is not same UMA. Okay. We go here. So in one company, many UMAs can work. Correct? One will be UMA something, one will be UMA. But here UMA is coming. So where are you? In the name column. See, UMA is here.
And 11 and 12.
So UMA is here. UMA is here. This will be anyway taken out. So 2 UMAs are there. Both are female. But their employees' IDs are different. So there won't be any problem. But here what will happen? Now I'm going to replace UMA here. Because there is no other choice. So one ID will be printed for UMA, ID card, or one PAN card will be printed for UMA. Okay, since it is employee ID, ID card will be printed for UMA. One employee ID 107, UMA, age 32, female. She works in finance. Salary is this, experience is this. She lives in Pune. Joining date not available, we'll correct it. And performance score is this much. So when UMA receives her ID card, what basically she will do? Right? Or employee ID 107. Suppose here I am, okay, not you, maybe Lima. You received UMA's ID card, right? Everything is correct. Only name is not correct. So you will go to the employee HR department and ask them for name correction, right?
Yeah.
So rather than you excluding you completely because your one information was not available, we are not discarding this record. It will go for name correction. Okay. So use cases you guys are understanding now why we need it and how.
Yes.
Now for department I was doing it. So df.department.mode. Okay, mode is HR is coming many places. HR is once, twice, thrice. Okay. So in none, we will give HR. So when Chris receives this one ID, his department alone will be wrong. Okay. So he will go for a name correction. Now the biggest part is like tomorrow you guys should not forget. So I am telling this is mode, right? Assign this in a variable called mode. Now how will we do? We are doing department column, right? So in department column only we will be filling mode. So df of department.
Yeah.
Okay. Equal to, again just copy df of department, right? Dot, what was the function? To
Fill
fill
NA.
NA, and then
Dip mode.
it became very easy, right?
Yeah.
And then printf, we'll see. So this none will be filled with mode. Mode is HR. Right? This item number 13 will be replaced with HR.
Understood.
Okay. It give HR only, no? Here.
DF what's the answer? Was the most occurring was HR, is it?
Okay. So HR only. But we have not given why it should throw error, no? This was missing. No, this was not missing.
No, syntax is right.
No. We have to give some this also. 0. Let me see. Okay.
Only AI.
Yes. So from mode, okay, I made a mistake. So correct. So
Bro,
yeah. So
can you go to the original data, bro? Let's see if it's actually NAN or if it is filled with some other name.
no, it is NN only. But
Okay.
now what happened is I cleaned up, no? So I have modified here in the original sheet itself. So in department it is NN only. No problem. I'll just load it again. So what we can do is where was that? Give me a minute, guys. And do here only. view left panel should be so we'll go for wrong data. Now I'll import pandas as PD df equal to pd dot read csv. Then read here. So it is NaN only. You see? Okay. So our aim is to fill something in department NN. So what I said, I will take mode is equal to df of department. Dot mode. What it returns. And then print mode. So it is giving HR at 0. Why it is giving with HR at 0? Let me ask ChatGPT. Maybe I am making some mistakes. You guys are there?
Yes, okay, that.
Okay. What it should print. For your department column, this is this much. Because there can be more than one mode. I want to fill mode value in NaN. It is telling give mode of 0. This is what I gave. if I'm returning this mode of 0, what it will give? And mode. HR it is giving. Okay. So now we can do. I think there was some spelling mistake. Okay. Now I want to include this. We are not giving mode. We are selecting one value because mode can be many. If 2 is coming 3 times and 3 is coming 3 times, then 2 and 3 both are mode. Dot fillna. And here you give mode. And printf. So in department, which one was having NaN, right? Line number 13. Line number 13 became HR. Clear?
For department mode 0. Okay. Let me take this.
Mode gave multiple values, Lima, in a list. So from there I have taken HR. If you'll take, see, AI is also 3 times, so might be that 4 times. That will also become a mode. If you want to have mode filled with AI, then give one mode of 1 here. Then run. Range index. 1 is not in range. 0 1. I'll explain this tomorrow. This mode, mean median mode. But so far, we learned, right? If there is a numeric value, you will be filling with median. Okay? And if there is a string, you will be doing mod. Now again check the missing values in our original program. df dot is null. Right? Dot sum. It got reduced. Now joining date, performance has only. So we have to completely remove all the missing values. Okay? It should be coming at 0 0 0.
Okay.
So that you guys can do, no?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, as I did for this one, you can do for others as well. Okay?
Name also we can go with mode, Kedar.
Yeah. Name also we have to go with mode. So all the strings go with mode.
Numeric value we need to go with the median.
So now I'm going for remove duplicates. Means duplicate row, okay? Column won't be duplicate. So for that, we have a function called df dot drop duplicates. Okay? So this basically will drop everything. I'll give you one trick here. So who is duplicate? Uma, right? So this line number 12 will be dropped. The entire row will be dropped. if you run this command. Okay. So see here, 10 came, 11, 12 have gone. But what is happening is df.dropDuplicate is giving this result, right? Again, you type df, you can see it is coming. What will be the solution? Command ran for properly.
Sorry, bro. What did you do? Sorry.
No.
Okay, it
So,
has just in the output, it has removed the duplicate. So if you have to remove to the actual record,
yeah. So right now from output we removed, and sometimes we make mistakes. So we'll see that, okay, from output is removing, right? We'll proceed with others, but in the actual file, it will not be removed. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to assign it to a variable. Your variable is df. There only you assign. See here. So it dropped also. And if you run df again, you won't see 12.
got it. Bro, from your experience, this question, right? So is 1 in a million, or what is the probability of getting the actual record, which is maybe mimicking like a duplicate? Like say they can, because you deal with a very large data set,
Yeah.
right?
So think every day 1 billion records are coming in my company, but it will go. There are very many GPU machines, right? So trillions of data are coming. Trillions of data. Okay? And manually analyzing them is very difficult. So that's the reason, like when we do data analysis, this is the 60% time data engineer spends. So data scientist or ML engineer will spend most of his time for data analysis, the one which we are doing right now. And this much small things will not come, right? The name will be in capital letter and address will be in caps, camel character and all. So, and we get like in multiple languages as well. So the processing takes a very humongous amount of time. Okay. But this is the starting point of Lima. Okay.
Okay, there if there any special characters come, sometimes if you see the Ashish will be there. So we can use same mean itself.
No. So if some special characters are there,
I mean,
special checks will happen. I'll cover tomorrow. So that regular expressions and other things you're talking about, right? At the rate, then yeah, there are so many things. So today's class was just basic to make you familiar that these things happen in real time. Yeah? And these things you will only learn when you will take notes. You can do a actual data set analysis and complete. Yeah. I know it is like no painful, but we have to do it because models are already there. Right? Models learn from your data. How much big is your data? Right? The data is already, data will be there. Data will be very nasty. Right? It will not be in a sync. So, are you guys seeing my face or no?
yeah, we are able to.
Okay. What I'm basically, so some buffering was happening. So basically, today's data is how much? Like I have just taken like 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose it is 8 or 9, right? 9 into 15. In production, we'll be seeing like this dimensions, this table itself will be very big. Right? Because if you payment data is at what time payment got triggered, what got processed, right? What time it has reached to the seller's account, right? What time it got released, everything will come. So very, very huge data. I think in PayPal and all, you guys might have seen the database, right? Which is very big. So in machine learning, what happens? Now the data is not coming in this form, right? You are typing something to ChatGPT, right? Correct. So you are typing, I gave it very big prompt, right? My data is like this, it is not working. How will you do? So what basically happens, ChatGPT will, there are like models. GPT is one of the thing. So it will tokenize your text. Right? Whatever sentence you have given, it will tokenize, right? Like I'm telling that, give me a horror story. Right? Which is from remote Tamil village. A lot of people were scared, something like that. Right? Give images, you're asking all these things. So this everything will go to one prompt. From the prompt, right? What happens is this entire thing will get tokenized. Let me go to my robot. Okay. So you have given this one. So give me a horror story, something like that. Prompt is coming. So this is your prompt. Now there will be your loaders. And there will be tokenizers. Right? So this tokenizer will take this will treat it as a string. From here, it will break them into multiple tokens. So give will be a token, me will be a token, a will be a token, horror will be a token, story will be a token. Now, my database is not designed like that. My traditional database will be like, this will have a name column, then ID column, right? Then string, something like that. But name is not coming, ID is not coming, string is coming, right? How can it store so many things here, right? So what basically happens is, that's the reason in AI field, we do not use traditional databases, right? We use vector databases. Like Postgres DB, or there are many others. Okay. PG vector DB. Okay, that is Postgres only. So here what happens is, for each and every token, right? So for give, it will be converted into a numerical value, right? 0.001, something like that. Me will be converted into some numerical value, 1.001, based on its weight and its what do you call? There are certain parameters. Based on this, each and every word will be converted into a numeric value. Okay, and that will be stored in database. Okay, so this is known as tokenization. Okay? Now suppose in one column, this is getting stored 0.001. In another column, 1.001 is getting, right? So now, so this is input. Give me a horror story. This is the input, right? Now what this LLM does, right? It has to create a story for you, right? So it will create a story based on these things. Okay? How it will do? It does a semantic search, not actual search. Semantic search means is like this. Give me a horror story. Semantic search is like similarity search. Okay. So I don't want to get into this. These things will cover when we go to Gen AI. But this is how it happens. Why did I go here? Sorry. Because I was. Okay. I was explaining something, right?
Yeah, so Uma was asking a question, not Uma, I forgot the name. She was asking a question on
Maithili, what was your question?
Maitri was asking a question.
No, it was like in a DB, if you pull a data, right, it will be having a special character also, something like a
Yes,
hash.
Yes, yes. So we have to truncate special characters. We have to truncate special characters and pass correct string, right? That string will get tokenized, okay? And after tokenization, right, each string will be converted into a numerical value. With this we call as vector, okay? And this vector will be stored in database, okay? And based on your query or whatever content your LLM is generating, right? Again, it will compare these two values and generate the answer for you, and that will be given to you in a text format, right? So basically, string is getting converted into number, and from number, answers will be getting created, okay? And those answers will be given to you. So it is a two-way process. That's the reason it works in a transformer architecture, wherein there will be encoders and decoders. We'll study this once we learn machine learning. Okay. So if something is here, right? Suppose Kedar, and it is having some special characters underscore at the we should be capable of truncating it. Tomorrow we will see this. Okay.
You bro.